I'm someone that hardly shows my emotions in front of other people. I don't like. I usually have these. I can't call it pride, but it's just my way of not showing weakness in front of others. But sometimes it gets so overwhelming that I can't just keep it in. I can't just hold it any longer. And today I think it's one of those days. You see, this side of me that I'm watching right now is very, very rare. Because I'm this kind of person that I believe that I'm very, very resilient. Like, I have this strong endurance for hardship a lot. And regardless of the circumstances or challenges I found myself, I always like to keep this positive energy in order to just keep going, even if there seems to be no way in that situation at that point in time. There are times that just get too much. Just get too much, and today is one of those days that I can't hold it in anymore. And that's why right now I don't even know why I'm recording this, but I think I just have to add it to my journal, which is my YouTube channel, so that someday I'll be when I look back, I'll be able to appreciate myself for where I'm coming from. Believe me, it was hard. It is hard, and it's extremely difficult. I don't know if you have ever, as a trader, if you have ever come into that, or maybe you are there right now, or you have ever been there. Right now I'm talking to the gurus, the big guys in this industry. I don't know if during your early days you ever come to a level where you know what you are doing, where you have the necessary skills and necessary knowledge about the market, but then your emotions keep getting in the way, or like your psychology keep stopping you from being where you are supposed to be. I don't know if I put the question right, but what I'm saying is, right now, what I'm feeling right now is just total confusion. My mind has been cloudy for about 2 to 3 days now, if not, I think it's already going to a week. I don't know what I'm doing, like, and it's beyond just the chat alone. It's just even about life as a whole. There are certain routines I set for my daily or day-to-day activities, but right now, believe me, I don't follow those routines anymore. I don't do all those things anymore, and I just wake up, go on with my daily activity randomly, just do things. So I don't know. What I'm just saying in essence is, how we're able to come out of that moment where your mind is cloudy, where your mind is full of some sort of confusion rather, how we're able to come out of it, how we're able to overcome that situation. Kindly let me know, so that maybe it also help me and also help others that are in this state right now. Right now, just as if it's just too much. And I don't know what to say again. me crying or shedding tears right now. It's something that is very, very hard for me to do. But right now, I just think I can't hold it anymore. Man, expressing myself right now in front of the camera, I think it's calming me down because it makes me feel as if I'm talking to someone that understands me. I'm talking to someone that sees my pain, someone that sees my sufferings. Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you for your suggestions. Thank you for whatever answer you give to me. So thank you for your advice in advance. Okay. Thanks. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. It's not hard.